Welcome to the Netiquette Next. Today we are going to discuss what is Google and how it was developed and what's the functionalities of Google and what kind of services Google provide and why people use Google. Why Google is the best choice. Here we go. Google is a multinational technology company that specializes in internet-related services and products. Founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, two PhD students at Stanford University, Google has grown to become one of the most influential and dominant companies in the digital world. Google is a search engine. History of Google. The history of Google dates back to its humble beginning as a research project called backrub, which aimed to develop a more efficient search engine algorithm. Larry and Sergey recognized the limitations of existing search engines and envisioned a system that would provide more accurate and relevant search results. In 1998, they officially launched Google, naming it after the mathematical term Google, which represents the number 1 followed by 100 zeros. Google search engine quickly gained popularity due to its simple interface and superior search capabilities. It employed a unique algorithm called PageRank, which evaluated the relevance and importance of web pages by analyzing their length. This innovative approach revolutionized the search engine landscape, making Google the go-to platform for Internet users worldwide. As Google expanded its services, it introduced several features to enhance the user's experience. One of the most notable features is Google's robust search engine, which utilizes sophisticated algorithms to deliver highly accurate and comprehensive search results. It also offers personalized search, allowing users to tailor their search preferences based on their location, language, and previous search history. Services of Google. In addition to search, Google offers a wide range of products and services, including Gmail for email communication, Google Maps for navigation and location-based services, Google Drive for cloud storage and collaboration, and Google Photos for storing and organizing photos and videos. Other popular Google services include Google Calendar, Google Translate, Google Documents, and Google News. One of Google's most significant contributions to the digital world is its suite of web-based applications called Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite. Google Workspace provides productivity tools for businesses and individuals, including Gmail, Google Drive, Google Documents, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. These tools enable seamless collaboration, document sharing, and real-time editing, making it easier for teams to work together remotely. Administration of Google. Sundar Pichai has been the CEO of Google since 2015. Under his leadership, Google has continued to innovate and expand its product offering. Pichai has played a crucial role in driving the company's focus on artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning (ML) technologies, which have become integral to many Google services. Use of Google. People use Google in various ways to meet their information and communication needs. The most common usage is searching for information on the Internet. Whether it's looking up facts, finding answers to questions, or conducting research, Google search engine serves as a reliable and comprehensive knowledge resource. Furthermore, Google has become a central hub for email communication through Gmail. With its intuitive interface, robust spam filter, and ample storage space, Gmail has become one of the most popular email platforms worldwide. People rely on Gmail not only for personal use but also for professional communication. Google Map. Google Map is another widely used feature, providing with detailed maps, directions, and real-time traffic updates. It has transformed the way people navigate and explore the world, making it easier to find locations, plan routes, and discover nearby points of interest. Google Cloud. Google's cloud-based services such as Google Drive have become essential tools for file storage, backup, and collaboration. With Google Drive, users can store documents, photos, videos, and other files securely in the cloud, access them from any device, and share them with others for seamless collaboration. Google's impact. Google's impact extends beyond individual users. Businesses leverage Google Ads, a powerful advertising platform, to promote their products and services, reaching a vast audience across the web. Additionally, Google Analytics provide valuable insight into a website performance and user behavior, enabling business to optimize their online presence and marketing strategies. In conclusion, Google has shaped the digital landscape with its innovative search engine, diverse product offering, and commitment to technological advancement. With Sundar Pichai at the helm, Google continues to lead the way in providing accessible and powerful tools that empower individuals, businesses, and communities worldwide. Through its extensive features and functions, Google has become an indispensable part of our lives, transforming the way we search, communicate, collaborate, and navigate the digital world. That was for now. I will be back soon with another amazing informative video about the technology. So please look forward to it. Like and share our videos, subscribe our channel, and be happy.